there's a lot of people in the spiritual communities, they don't pay attention to what's going on in the world. And that's a choice,
Yeah.
and that's fine. But there are those who do know what's going on and they choose to remain silent because they don't want to lose followers and they don't want to lose clients and they don't want to lose students and they don't want their money to be affected. And it's the same reason why a lot of celebrities don't say anything, because they're getting paid,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
And it's like, you can't mess with their money. That's
Mm-hmm.
what's important to them.
Mm-hmm.
I think during this time, we've got to be brave.
Yeah.
We've got to be brave. Every single one of us makes a difference.
Mm-hmm.
And you might think, but the difference I make is so small. Who am I? I'm nobody. I'm, I'm not, I don't have, 10 million followers. It doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone can make a difference.
Yes. Yeah. So well said.